They've been in between.
I gotta change my CO2. What is he saying? What? The what?
That green triangle right there. The guy just got hit with it.
Yeah, he's friendly, looks like. I can see him. Red flag's up, dang it. Who is that? Who is that?
That's the dude that was in the palace.
God, I saw that too. Scares me every time. Is that an enemy right there? Did you see that? No one saw that? You saw that, right? He poked around, looked at me. I'm shooting him. Yep. Come on, buddy. He knows I'm looking at him. They do. Oh man, he's thinking about it. Right at the corner of this. Come here and look. He's right at the corner. Right there. Whoa, behind us! Behind that white thing, right square. I think that's a friendly. I don't know. But he's a fucking idiot.